Today we present you the new Cubot X30 and we start with this first unboxing video. As you can see, the phone comes in a nice black box which contains pretty standard things like short instructions. There is also 5V 2A fast charger, USB Type-C cable, and the good thing is that with this great smartphone we also get a protective silicone mask. This smartphone delivers comparative specifications at an affordable price. It comes with the IPS LCD screen with a diagonal of 6.4 FHD resolution with 1008 by 2310 pixels. In the upper left corner of the screen there is a hole in which is 32 megapixel selfie camera is located. There is a fingerprint scanner on the right side of the phone, and above it is a power button. There is the volume control button on the left side. On the back of the phone are 5 cameras. They are housed in a rectangular cutout. The main sensor is 48 megapixels created by Samsung. In addition, there is also an ultra-wide 60 megapixel sensor, 5 megapixel macro sensor, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 0.3 megapixel photosensitive sensor. In addition to the cameras, there is a LED flash in the maintenance cutout. There is a name logo of the company Cubot. The phone runs on the chipset of Taiwanese company MediaTek Helio P60 with an octa-core processor. This chipset is paired with 6GB of RAM or 8GB of RAM in 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. The phone runs on the current Android 10 operating system. The autonomy of the Cubot X30 phone is a charge of the 4200 mAh battery, and the company states that the battery will last 2 days of autonomy. Other features include NFC support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, OTG and GPS. The price of the Cubot X30 smartphone 120GB version is $148, with the version on 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage cost $178. This phone is available for purchase via AliExpress as of today, so hurry up, reward yourself and buy yourself this affordable Cubot X30 smartphone. Buying links are below the video. This is all for today. Stay with us, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon. Bye.